How to remove SafeSearch on Google Chrome. SafeSearch filters out explicit results, but if it's enabled by mistake, we might sometimes miss the important searches. So let's see how we can turn it off on Google Chrome. We open up the Google Chrome on our device first, and once we are here, we may visit google.com. Directly tap on the top and type in google.com and open up this page right here. Now within here, look out for the profile option in the top and click on it. And once we are headed over here, look out for the option of SafeSearch directly and go ahead and tap on it. Now within here, there you'll be finding different options for SafeSearch. So we have filter, blur, and off. So if we want to turn it off, if we want to remove it, we usually may have selected filter or the blur. So if we have selected filter, it helps filter out explicit images, text, and links. And similarly, if we have selected blur, it helps blur the explicit images, but explicit text and links may show. So what we need to do is we need to select the very last option, the off, and what it will do is it will show us all the relevant results even if they are explicit. So we just need to select this option right here, the off option, and it should automatically save of the changes. Now we can go ahead and look out for something we're trying to look when our save search is turned off, and that's it. So this is it. Save search is now turned off in Chrome. So we hope this video was helpful. We do hope that you give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.